Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to create home decor pieces that you can transition from your holiday home decor into your winter home decor. So I'm going to be using those 2 square vases from the Dollar Tree, as well as these 2 mirrors, these 2 glitter trimmed mirrors. I picked those up from the Dollar Tree earlier this year. I'll be using some diamond bling wrap. I got that from Amazon, as well as these pearls. I'll be using some silver pipe cleaner. I'll be using that silver button embellishment, my Spectra glitter today, and I'll be using this platinum glitter as well, just for a little extra shine. My clear tacky gel glue, my hot glue gun, and all my tools that you see there. So I'm going to start by just applying a little bit of the tacky glue to the square vase, and I'm going to use a dampened brush. The brush is dampened with water, and I'm just going to spread that all over, giving it a nice, smooth, even application. After that, I'm just going to shake a little bit of the Spectra glitter on there. I'm going to build this, guys. It's going to be, it's going to look like a frosted window. And so I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of that. I'm going to go back in with the tacky glue and just repeat the process. I'm also going to be sprinkling in a little bit of that platinum glitter. Guys, after it's dry, I'm going to use this hairspray. This works really well at sealing the vase. I'm going to let that dry for about an hour. I'm going to do the second vase off camera, but guys, I added this one in, so I wanted to create something a little different. So I'm just adding this vase in, and I just picked this up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to do the same to this that I did to the square one. Right now, I'm just going to trim out the amount of bling wrap that I'm going to use on the vases, and the vases are already dry, so I'm going to add this as my trim. So now that these are done, guys, I'm going to place them off to the side and start working on the decoration for the mirror. I'm going to use this tinsel pipe cleaner. I'm going to cut it down to size about 2.5 to 3 inches. I'm going to start creating some picks for the mirror. to take the pipe cleaner and just insert it inside the pearl. I'm going to use my pliers just to fold over that wire. Once I've done that, I'm going to go in with a little bit of hot glue, a tiny bit of hot glue, and I'm going to just seal it into place. So right now I'm going to take each little pick that I've created and just twist it onto that separate piece of pipe cleaner. Just twist it into place. So now that that's done, guys, I'm going to make 3. And so now it's time to attach them to the mirror. I'm just going to fold the end over and just apply a little bit of hot glue and secure that into place. I'm going to add these red pearls. These pearls look like red berries, so I decided to add that just for a little color. I really like using the pipe cleaner for this because you can adjust your picks and give them a different shape if you want. But anyway, guys, so this project is just about done. Look how nice that is. Really, really nice, guys. I have some tea light candles inside each one. I like the way it looks. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. You stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.